Look here, one interesting question we have. A wire of length 28 meter. Look here, one wire we have from here to here. This length is 28 meter. Okay, and is to be cut into two pieces. One of the piece is to be made into square. One piece is made into square, and other into circle. Second part is a circle. What should be the length of the two pieces so that the combined area of the square and circle is the minimum? So area of these two, circle and square, we will add that to the minimum. Okay, so we have to find out the length of the wire for the each part. Look here, we will take here A, and here is B, and here is we take C. Okay, look here, this distance we suppose x, this the other distance we will suppose this is total is 28. So this part will be 28 minus x, this meter. Okay, and this will be also in x meter. Look here, this first part is convert in a square. Okay, and we will suppose the side of square is A. Side of square equal to A, and radius of circle equal to R. Look here, if we have A means look here, this is A 4 meter, means we have a perimeter equal to 4A, and perimeter we have here x. This x we use here to make the square. So this is 4A equal to, we can write x. From here we can write A equal to x upon 4. Similarly, look here, circle, and for circle where we use this wire at a boundary, and boundary means the length of boundary we know already 2 pi r. Okay, so look here the circumference of circle is 2 pi r, and this C means we will use here 28 minus x. Okay, this is circumference is 28 minus x. From here we will get r is equal to 28 minus x upon 2 pi. This is the value of r. So we find here radius of the circle and the side of the square in form of x. Now in question it is given to us that combined area of the square and the circle, this we have to minimize, and this we suppose this is A. Okay, and area of square is here side into side. What we have? Side into side. Okay, side whole square we can write, and area of circle we have pi r square. Okay, now this area we can write here area equal to side means we can write here A. So we can write here A square pi r square, and look here, by these we get area equal to A equal to x by 4. A equal to x by 4, and pi r is here 28 minus x upon 2 pi, and we have whole square, so we can write whole square. Okay, you can open this bracket, we will get here x square upon 16 plus 1 pi we cancel, 2 square is 4, and 4 pi we will get here, and 28 minus x whole square we write as it is. Now area we have to do minimize, means this differential we do. Differential of x square is 2x, so we write 2x and 16 as it is, and differential of this 1 upon 4 we write as it, and differential of x 28 minus x whole square do, that will be 2 bracket 28 minus x, and 28 minus x differential is minus 1. So look at this, we can cancel here, we will get here x by 8 minus, and this 2 and 4 we cancel, we get here 28 minus x upon 2 pi, and 28 minus x. Okay, this we get, and dA by dx we have to make equal to 0, means we can write here x upon 8 minus 28 minus x upon 2 pi equal to 0, and this is equal to 0, means we can write here x upon 8 equal to 28 minus x upon 2 pi, and we cross product we will do. We get 2 pi x equal to 28 into 8, 8 8 is 64, 6 22, and minus 8x we get. Now these all we can divide by 2, so we will get here, when we divide by 2 we get here pi x equal to 112 minus 4x. 4x we have to transfer. We get pi x plus 4x equal to 112, and from here we take x common, we get pi plus 4 equal to 112. So from here we get x equal to 112 upon pi plus 4. So this is the x, means we get the one part of the wire. So the second part will be here. Look here, second part will be equal to 28 minus x, and we write here 28 minus x is 112 upon pi plus 4, and pi plus 4 is LCM. We can write here 28 pi and plus we get 112 minus 112, so this will be 28 pi upon pi plus 4. This is the second part. Now we have to check the part of these. This part is here AC and the second part is here CB. On this part the area of the circle and square is minimum that we have to find out. So for that the differential, single differential is this, and this differential we have to do again the differential. So d square a by dx square we get. X differential is 1 by 8 minus look here 28, this 1 upon 2 pi as it is we can write 28 differential is 0, and minus x differential is minus 1, and we get 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 2 pi, and this will be greater than 0 for x, x and 28 minus x we can write, or 4x we can write. This is greater than 0, so here combine area of circle and square is minimum for AC equal to 112 upon pi plus 4 centimeter we have, and CB equal to 28 pi upon pi plus 4 meter. So these are the length of the part of the wire. All of you understand these? Prove that the volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r. The sphere radius of the bigger sphere is given capital R, and this volume of largest cone will be equal to 8 upon 27 of the volume of sphere. So volume of sphere and volume of the cone relation is here given to us. So look here, we have to first we will take the look here, we will take here the sphere. Sphere is fixed, so here the radius is constant, r is constant, okay, and we have second is cone. We will take the radius equal to x, this radius we will take x here, and the height we will take here, this is r already, so we take r, and this portion we will take y. So height of this cone will be r plus y. Okay, now in triangle, look here, O, A and B. In triangle OAB, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write here hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, this r square equal to y square plus x square we get. We will get here x square equal to capital R square minus y square. Okay, Look here, we have to write the volume of sphere. Volume of sphere equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. This is a constant. Okay. And next is volume of cone. We have to write cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square, and h, place of h constant, this height is capital R plus y, and here radius we have x. Volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Here 1 upon 3 pi and r, radius of the cone is, we have here x. Okay, so we can write here this x place of radius, and height is capital R plus y. So capital R plus y, we can write the height. This is the volume of cone, and this we will write by capital V. Okay, 1 upon 3 pi, and place of x square we can write here, put x square equal to r square minus y square. So we will put here this x square, r square minus y square, and second bracket is r plus y as it is. Now we have to maximize this volume. So we will differentiate with respect to y. We will get here dv by dy, and this is equal to 1 upon 3 pi is as it is. Now we will use the multiplication rules. First we will keep r square minus y square is as it is, and differential of r plus y, r is constant, y differential is 1, and plus r plus y is as it is, and differential of this first portion we will do r square is 0, and here we get minus 2y. Okay, this r square minus y square we can write one time plus, and second time is minus r plus y, and second is r minus y, and here we can write minus 2y r plus y. R plus y we take common, so we will get here 1 upon 3, and r plus y is common, and remaining is r minus look here, minus y and minus 2y, minus 3y. Okay, and for maximum volume of cone, this dv by dy is equal to 0, so we can write here this is r plus y or r minus 3y is equal to 0, and this will be 0 when we have r equal to minus y, or we can write y equal to minus r, and second is r equal to 3y, means here y equal to r upon 3. Look here, this y equal to minus r is not possible. Okay, negative we have to take, so y value we get capital R upon 3. This is a valid answer we have here. Now we have to find the volume of cone. For that this value of 1 upon 3 pi capital R square minus y, place of y we will put r upon 3, so we get r square upon 9, and r plus y means here also we put r plus y, place of y is r upon 3. So this will be 1 upon 3 pi, and this is the 8r square upon 9, and this second portion will be 4r upon 3, and look here, we have to take 8 upon 27 common from these we have to take. So 8 upon 27 we will write separate, 8 and 9 3 are 27, remaining portion is pi. Look here, 1 4 upon 3 pi r cube will be remaining, and look here, this is the, we can write here sphere, volume of sphere. This is the volume of sphere. Okay, so here volume of cone we have 8 upon 27 volume of sphere. Now this is a maximum we have to prove. For that this dv by dy we have to do differentiate again. So we can write here d square v by dy square equal to difference 1 upon 3 is as it is pi. Look here, r plus y we write as it is, and differential of r minus 3y is minus 3, then plus r minus 3y is as it is, and differential of here is 1. Okay, now if we put here place of r, put y equal to r upon 3, Look here, if you put r upon 3 means here this is negative, we have already multiplication. Place of y we put r upon 3, this will be 0 means we have this implies that d square v by dy square is less than 0. So we can write here, so volume of cone is maximum and equal to 8 upon 27 volume of sphere. All of you understand this? This only we have to prove here.